Hey, I'm Sean, and we're here at the BigRep fleet to talk to Fernando about the most recent engineering grade part coming off of the BigRep PRO. Hey, Fernando.
Hi.
This is a wing printed with PA666, an engineering grade material from BigRep's line of filaments made to work like nylon. Here you can see a side-by-side comparison of the BigRep PRO and the BigRep ONE, printing the same part. The BigRep PRO is using MXT technology and printing with PA666, whereas the BigRep ONE is using our power extruder and printing with PRO HT. The BigRep ONE is already faster than most large format printers on the market, but as you can see, the BigRep PRO is printing even faster at twice the speed with this engineering grade material. Fernando, why don't you tell us a little bit about this material?
So this material is PA666, das ist nylon, say, and it's a really good flexible material and really hard mechanical resistance.
PA666 and the BigRep PRO's MXT technology is just the most recent in BigRep's advanced industrial solutions. Subscribe to our channel to hear about all the newest additive advancements coming from BigRep.